Hi, today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, firstly, there are 6 colors Rubik's Cube: white, blue, green, red, orange, and yellow. So, always remember that in opposite of the white there is yellow, opposite of the green there is blue, and opposite of the orange there is red. So what we have to do is first we have to solve the cube layer wise. So this is first layer, this is this this is second layer, and this is last layer. So first we will scramble the cube. Okay. So we have scrambled the cube. So we have to solve the first layer right now. So to solve the first layer, first understand the pieces in cube. So the pieces in cube are the center piece. The center piece cannot move from its side and it is single colored. Second piece is the edge piece. The edge piece is of two colors, and suppose for example this is a edge piece. So edge piece is of two colors. First is white and second is red. There are many edge pieces in the cube. The total pieces in a cube are 26 pieces. So first we have to make a cross or plus of white edge pieces. So to make the plus we have to apply some algorithms or formulas. So firstly take any one of the edge piece and see the edge piece neatly. So first color is white and second is orange. So we have to match it with the orange center piece. So we have to search for the orange center piece. It's here. So we will take the piece here, then here, then we will match it with the orange center and rotate the piece. So we can see that it is solved. Then second we have got the green and white edge piece. So we have to rotate it, then match with the green and take up. So we have formed a L shape. So remaining two edge pieces. So we have to find it. I got one. So I will do the same thing. Yes, I got three. Now the fourth one. So my plus is ready. So first step is completed. We have to find first white corner piece. Yes, I got one. So I will do the same thing. Yes, I got three. Now the fourth one. So my plus is ready. So first step is completed. Now we have to go for the second step, that is inserting the corners in the first layer. So there are 4 corners and corner piece contain 3 colors. So we have to find first white corner piece. So yeah, I got one. This is a white corner piece. So we have to first see that which is the color here. So it's white and red. So we will match it with the red center piece. We have matched it. Anyhow, you can match diagonally, perpendicularly, etc. So we have matched it. So we will take this down, this rotated. So we can see that pieces got inserted. So this up. So this area is completed. Then we have to go for the second one. So I got the second, green and white. So match it with the green center. this down, this here and up. Then blue and white, so match with the blue center, this. So I have a case in the first layer that the piece is on the downside, means on the downside of the cube. So how to take it up? So first we have to go with the following steps. So keep the piece on your right hand down corner of the following color. So here is green and orange, so I kept here. You can take any color, suppose it's red, blue, so you can keep here. Okay, so I have taken green and orange. And do the following steps: this, then down layer 2 times, then this layer up, then this layer this side. Then we have to do the corner insertion trick. So this and this. So you can see that our first layer is solved, and you can see that there is a T like shape form here and here. Okay, so now we have go to second layer. For the second layer, you have to keep the completed white layer down and rotate the cube. And for the second layer, we have to apply some algorithms. So the following algorithms are: so first we have to find a non-yellow edge, means the edge which doesn't contain yellow color. So this is a non-yellow edge, this is an yellow edge, and this is a non-yellow edge. Okay, so we found the non-yellow edge. So we have to first see the color of which it contains. So it's blue orange. So match with the center piece. So I matched the orange center piece here. You can see that. Now we have to see the upper color. So upper color is blue. We have to rotate it to the opposite side of the blue. So here is blue, so I am rotating this side, that's green. So rotated. Then you have to follow the letters. This has the letters. Blue is on this side, so you have to apply the following algorithm. That is R upward, U, R downward, U, F upward, U, F downward. So you can see that the piece is inserted here. Same with the another 3 pieces. So now you can see that my 3 colors are solved, but sometimes this case comes that here is a yellow piece and it is on the upper layer, means our piece is on the upper layer. So we have to match with the center, rotate the opposite side and follow it from the following side. So this. So you can see that our 2 layers are got solved. So now we are going for the third or the final layer. So in the final layer, like the first layer, we had made the white cross, but in this particular layer, we have to make the yellow cross. So to make the yellow cross, there will be 3 situations in front of you. So first situation will be L, second situation will be straight line will be there, and third situation will be dot, only the centerpiece will be there. So I have the L situation, so I will follow the algorithm. The algorithm is F upward, R upward, U, R downward, U, F downward. So you can see that I have got the line situation. The first situation will be dot, the second situation will be L, and the third situation will be line. So I am in the final stage to make the cross. So to make the cross, I have to hold the line vertically this way, but in front it should be horizontal. So basically we have to make the line horizontally and follow the following steps. So the steps are F, R, U, R down, U, F down. So F is the front layer. Okay. Now you can see that cross has been made, but the edges are not matching their pairs. So there will be any two edge pieces which will be matching the layer. So now I have got the two pieces matched, green and red. So hold that pieces right here and do the following steps. That is R upward, U, R downward, U, R upward, U2, R downward, and then match the edges. So now you can see our edges are matched. Now we have to do the final step, that is applying the corners on the correct place. So first we have to find one piece which is inserted correctly on its place. Means we have to assume that, suppose here it's red, yellow, green. So the piece which will fit here will be red, yellow, green. So this is green, orange, yellow. So the piece here should be green, orange, yellow. So the piece is on the right place, but it needs to be twisted. So not to do that, but we have to solve it frankly. So apply the following algorithm. Keep it on the right top corner and apply the following algorithm. L upward, U, R upward, U, L downward, U, R downward, U. So our edges are matched and our corners are on the right place. You can see that green, orange, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, yellow, red, blue, and this is already inserted. But in some cases the corners may not be on the correct place. So apply the algorithm again by keeping the corner on this side. But mine is been corrected. So the corners are inserted on the right place. So we have to apply the final trick for our Rubik's Cube. So flip your cube and turn white on the upper side and keep the piece which you have to solve on the right hand side down layer corner and do the following algorithm. R, U, R, U. Okay. And do the algorithm till the cube not means the piece does not get inserted. R, U, R, U. My piece got inserted. Forget about the disturbance of the first layer. Then take the second corner, means which we have to insert on the same place. Don't rotate your cube. Take the corner on the same place and follow the algorithms again. R, U, R, U, R, U, R, U. Yes, so my piece got inserted. Then next, R, U, R, U, R, U, R, U, R, U. And you can see that our cube is solved. So thanks for watching.